Good day, it is Stephen Davids here, and in this video I will discuss how to round the edge of a countertop. The reason why you round the edge of the countertop is because if it is sharp and square, it can hurt someone when that person is walking against it, especially when the countertops are sometimes at areas where people move close to doors, etc. Let us start with a square table countertop. You then just simply use whatever you want to do for a rounding instrument, and in this case I use a cup, put it there, and then use because this is, you can see the color is a granite color, use a marker, color pencil red for example, that can clearly round it. When you have that, when you have marked it out, in our case we used this Stanley sander, and then you just simply sand it. It's not advisable for us to use the jigsaw because the jigsaw may make small cutouts there, so then we just use the sander and slightly nicely round it with the sander that we have here. Here is the sander that we used. Thank you very much for watching this video. We love constructive comments and criticism. Please like and share this video.